Are you tired of receiving mixed messages about alcohol? Do you want to know the facts? Then you need the Alcohol Education Kit College Age Edition, and all it costs is the 5 minutes it takes to watch this video. Fact or fiction? Because alcohol is legal and commonplace at social gatherings, it is relatively safe to consume. Fiction. Alcohol is a drug, just like marijuana, cocaine, and countless others. Because it is a drug, it can have serious and potentially dangerous effects on the human body. Thus, it is important that consumers know the facts and can make an informed decision about whether to use this drug. Alcohol belongs to the class of drugs known as central nervous system, or CNS depressants, a category of drugs that affect the body by inhibiting brain activity. Any amount of alcohol will affect the body. However, the severity of the behavioral and physical effects of this drug are determined by the blood alcohol concentration, or BAC, of the consumer. After 1 to 2 drinks, the blood alcohol concentration of the consumer will be approximately 0.02 to 0.06%. Individuals with this BAC will report feeling buzzed or slightly tipsy. At this stage, the positive feelings brought on by use of this drug include feelings of relaxation and warmth. Negative effects include decreased reaction time and fine muscle control. While the BAC is still below the legal limit, driving at this stage is not advised due to the decrease in reaction time. After 3 to 4 drinks, the blood alcohol concentration of the consumer will be approximately 0.08 to 0.12%. At this BAC, individuals are considered legally intoxicated, and thus driving is not only ill-advised but also illegal. Positive feelings associated with this level of inebriation include euphoria and increased confidence. CNS depression has become severe enough to cause difficulties with balance, speech, vision, hearing, coordination, and judgment. Alcohol trivia. In the United States, approximately how many people are killed in alcohol-related car accidents each year? A. 5,000, B. 7,500, C. 10,000, or D. 12,500. The correct answer is C. Every year, approximately 10,000 individuals lose their lives in alcohol-related car accidents. While this is the most tragic and extreme consequence of driving under the influence, it is not the only possible consequence. DUI convictions also come with massive ramifications. First-time offenders will receive a minimum of a $1,800 fine and a 30-day license suspension, followed by 90 days of license restrictions and a requirement for the completion of a $500 3-month alcohol treatment program. Repeat offenders receive more severe penalties with each subsequent offense. After 5 to 10 drinks, the consumer's blood alcohol concentration will be approximately 0.14 to 0.30%. At this level of severe intoxication, individuals will have suffered a major loss of mental, physical, and motor control. Their speech will be slurred and their vision blurry. Individuals will appear confused and in need of assistance when walking or moving. Vomiting will likely occur, so the individual should be placed on his or her side to prevent aspiration. Fact or fiction? Binge drinking is a reliable predictor of sexual assault on college campuses. Fact. Women who admit to drinking in excess are twice as likely to become victims of attempted or completed sexual assault than women who seldom or never drink. After consuming 14 to 20 drinks, the blood alcohol concentration of the consumer will be 0.40 to 0.60%. This is an extremely dangerous and potentially lethal level of intoxication. The individual will become unconscious, and unless they receive medical attention, they will slip into a coma and die due to respiratory failure. Fact or fiction? If a student is engaging in underage drinking and he or she calls 911 because a friend is showing signs of alcohol poisoning, both parties are immune to the legal consequences of underage drinking. Fact. Most states, including California, have enacted this life-saving legislation, So if you think a friend is showing signs of alcohol poisoning, call 911. Symptoms of alcohol poisoning include seizures, unconsciousness, slow or irregular breathing, skin that appears pale or has a blue tinge, and low body temperature. Do you still think alcohol is safe? You know the facts. You decide.